Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission.
Incoming transmission. Incoming transmission. Data connection established.
Hello guys. Welcome to Codersclan. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I'm gonna show you how to code palindromic number identifier using Python. This code can be logical. I will try my best to make you understand this code. So without wasting the time, let's start. First of all, I want to give you an idea of palindromic number. A palindromic number, also known as a numeral palindrome or a numeric palindrome, is a number that remains the same when its digits are reversed. Such as 16,461. In more simple language, an integer is a palindrome when it reads the same backward as forward. For example, 121 is palindrome while 123 is not. So now, let's start the code. Done, this was the code. Let's check whether it works or not. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please do like and share the video, and also please subscribe the channel, so that you can view my all videos. Goodbye.